In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Google Docs as a PowerPoint viewer so you can easily open and present .ppt or .pptx files without needing Microsoft PowerPoint installed on your computer. Let's start with the basic idea. Even though we usually think of Google Docs as a tool for text documents, Google Drive and Google Slides work together to let you open and view PowerPoint presentations right in your browser. You'll upload your presentation to Google Drive, open it with Google Slides, and then view it in presentation mode, just like a regular slideshow. First, you'll need to upload your PowerPoint file to Google Drive, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website, then sign in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in Google Drive, look toward the top left for the New button. Click that and you'll see an option to upload a file. Select File Upload and a file picker window will appear. From here, navigate to the folder on your computer where your PowerPoint file is stored. Click on the file you want to view, then click Open. You should see an upload progress indicator in the bottom right corner of your Google Drive window. Give it a moment, especially if the file is large or contains lots of images or videos. When the upload finishes, your PowerPoint file will appear in your drive, usually at the top of your file list if you're viewing My Drive by most recent. Now that your presentation is in Google Drive, it's time to open it using Google Slides. Locate the PowerPoint file you just uploaded. It will usually retain its original name and show a small PowerPoint or presentation icon. Right-click on the file to open the context menu. In that menu, hover over or click on Open With. You'll see a list of compatible apps. Choose Google Slides. Google Slides will open in a new tab, and it may take a few seconds to convert the PowerPoint into a format it can display. Once it loads, you'll see your slides in the main area and a vertical strip of slide thumbnails along the left side. At this point, your file is ready to view and present. You can move through slides by clicking the thumbnails, and you can quickly scan to make sure everything imported correctly. Most standard text, images, and layouts carry over well, though some very advanced animations or fonts might look slightly different. To actually view the slides in presentation mode, look toward the top right of the Google Slides window for the Present button. Click this button to enter full screen presentation mode. Your slides will now fill the screen, hiding the editing tools and letting you focus on the content, just like a traditional PowerPoint slideshow. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard, your mouse, or trackpad to move forward and backward through the slides. If you need to exit presentation mode at any time, press the Escape key on your keyboard and you'll return to the editing view in Google Slides. That's all you need to use Google Docs through Google Drive and Google Slides as a simple PowerPoint viewer. Upload your presentation to Drive, open it with Google Slides, and then present it in full screen mode whenever you're ready.